here we have Fesslers Railroad crossing here in Nashville, Tennessee. Here is the first signal. We got a safe tran base, safe tran gate mechanism. There's the emergency information. As you can see, the dot number is 348640P. The lights are Harman 12 by 24 inch lights, and the bell is either an NED e-bell or a 06 type 3 electronic bell. And the interesting about this crossing is it has two cantilevers over here. The cantilevers made by Harman, and we got more Harman 24 inch lights, and there are more Harman 12 by 24 inch lights up there. And the gate lights look to be the Rico or NED lights. So NERR is switching way down there. So now I can cross to the second signal. Second type of signals. Safe tran base, safe tran gate mechanism. There is the emergency information. The lights are safe tran 12 by 24 inch, or Harman 12 by 24 inch lights. And the bell is either NEG e-bell or a General Signals Type 3 electronic bell. And here is the cantilever signal. We got a Harman cantilever, safe tran or Harman lights, 12 by 24 inch lights, and more Harman 12 by 24 inch lights, and there are the gate lights. So now I gotta wait for the car to pass. And there's the look around the curve to the next crossing, and that way is looking towards the yard. So if I'm gonna wait to see if they do anything. If not, I'm gonna go home. So this is Fesslers Railroad crossing here in Nashville, Tennessee.